The Strong Drive WSV Subfloor screw by Simpson Strong-Tie is the best solution for fixing subfloor. This popular flooring screw was re-engineered for even faster driving and increased superior clamping force. The unique tip and thread pattern provides an easy start and up to 25% less torque. This leads to a 20% faster drive and less tool wear. The head design countersinks easily, helps to clamp and provides a great clean finish. The deep T25 recess improves control and increases the bit life. Collated for the quick drive system, you'll be able to work ergonomically and quickly. Nailing is a typical fixing method, but over time this may result in a squeaky floor, expensive callbacks and possibly a damaged reputation. And now, the best solution for fixing subfloor. Watch the clamping force provided by the WSV screw, giving you comfort the job's done right and able to withstand the forces of a family for years to come. No more bending over, WSV screws go in with effortless ease. The 50mm WSV screw complies with AS 1860.2, giving you peace of mind and you'll build to the standard. Now available at leading hardware retailers, follow the links below to find out more.